Food is ready. Come and eat. Have you eaten? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I made this simple yam and egg sauce, and it's for the family. It's very easy to make, and I am using new yam. Have you eaten new yam? That is the yam that came out this year. Well, this is mine, and it's so expensive. Imagine one yam sold for 2,000 naira over here, and it's not as if it's that much, because we ate everything here in one serving. So this is me cooking it. What will I do? I added salt because I like adding salt to my yam for the taste. Some people do not. My yam is ready, and I have finished slicing my vegetables for the egg sauce. This is my groundnut oil. This is me frying the vegetables for the egg sauce. Of course, I will have to season it first before I add the main egg that I have beaten. And these eggs, I actually seasoned it too, make I no lie. Here, the egg wanted to show me pepper, but you know wetin, God pass am. This egg, it came out well. We enjoyed it. So what are you eating today, Saturday? Here we ate yam and eggs. Happy weekend and bye.